So a while back I bought a wheel horse frame that didn't have an engine, and it had a transmission and seat and everything, you know. So I put a Predator 212 engine in it from Harbor Freight, and originally I had a smaller pulley on it that's back there, and it didn't go very fast, so I welded this bigger pulley onto it and then just hooked it up to the belt, and so far it works great. It goes pretty fast now. But I'll fire it up and let my buddy take it first spin. Oh, good job, you stalled it. Alright, there you go, it works great. Just thought I'd show you guys on here that it works if you put a Predator 212 in an old wheel horse. So please like and subscribe and check out the rest of my channel.